I play Pokemon Go every day. I play Pokemon Go. Alright. Yeah, that was just me just singing Pokemon Go. But here's the show. Where's that cat at? The weirdest cat on earth. Hey. Shh. Look at it's the weirdest cat ever. Yeah, just went a second. You can't even see her. Hey, Artemis. Yeah, no, you're the cat that's always wants to look people and always have fun. Or you're just a grouchy cat that always wants to be by herself. Right. Hmm? But if you put him with my brother, they put him with my brother, they get terrified. Yeah. Hmm.